What's up guys, you're watching The Switch Show, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is NW-102308-4. A communication error has occurred. Communication error is simply also a network error, PSN network or a server. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side. Here we are at the screen. So we go to the settings on the screen. Here we are at the settings, and then user and accounts. Must check the user and account is logged in or not. PSN account and login settings. You must check your console is logged in or not and set the automatically logged in. If you set the passcode, just turn off. Then go to the user and account. Network. View PlayStation network services. Sometimes the server is down. That's why you get the error. And here is the all is green. Then the server is working up and good. So you fix your own internet connection. If you get the red, you just wait, so it picks it up automatically. There's frequency settings, advanced settings, and MTU setting 1500 is okay, and manually set the DNS, primary DNS, secondary DNS, and here we are. You simply just set it. That's how. So simply you can set the network connection error or a communication error. That's how. And I'm just going to suggest use a LAN cable, then the Wi-Fi directly connected from the router to PlayStation 4. You will get the better speed on it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one.